This tutorial review will show you how to get unbanned from Roblox. Open your browser and open roblox.com/support, and here give your Roblox account username and first name. Enter here your Roblox account email address and confirm your email address here. What device are you having the problem on? I'm using PC, so I'm selecting PC here. Here select moderation and now select appeal account and describe here why you want to get unbanned on your Roblox account and submit this form, and hope Roblox will unban your Roblox account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.